Stop struggling with endless API documentation and start mastering the Twilio API in minutes with Postman. First, download and install Postman, the leading API platform. If you don't already have it, link in the description for an easy download. Next, import the official Twilio Postman collection. Find the link in the description. Just click import. Then paste the URL and select import again. This gives you pre-built requests for Twilio's most popular features. Now, authentication is key. Click on the collection name in Postman. Then go to the Variables tab. This is where you'll enter your Twilio account SID and auth token, which you can find on your Twilio account dashboard. Paste your account SID into the account_SID field and your auth token into the auth_token field. Make sure the type is set to secret for your auth token for added security. Let's send an SMS. Expand the SMS folder. Then select the Send SMS request. You will need a Twilio phone number in order to send a message. In the Body tab, replace the placeholder phone numbers in the to and from fields with your own verified phone number and your Twilio phone number. Update the message body with your desired text. Ready to send. Hit that blue send button. A successful request will return a 201 status code and details about your sent SMS, and that's it. You're now equipped to explore the power of the Twilio API using Postman. Happy coding!